Our breath can also play a powerful role in relaxing areas around the tailbone that might be causing pain. So our pelvic floor attaches to the tailbone, as you can see, and the muscles around it can become very tight and tense. And one of the biggest challenges in pelvic floor physical therapy is teaching people how to relax tight and tense pelvic floor muscles that are already kind of nebulous and hard to comprehend if you haven't done a lot of pelvic floor work in the past. So I'm going to show you right now one way to kind of breathe, use your breath in order to send into this area that can become very tense and tight and create tailbone pain. So what you're going to do is come into a deep squat. Now you can sit on a yoga block or something like that if a deep squat is not really something accessible to you. But I'm going to show you what it might be like to hold on to a chair. So if you need it, you can hold on to a chair and you're going to come into a tight little ball. And if you're really tight in the front of your body, it's going to be really difficult to breathe in this position. You're going to feel like really cramped up and like you can't take a deep breath at all. So the work is to hold this position, come into that challenging place, and start practicing deep breaths. So this is going to open up the back body, and it's also going to allow you to start sending some of that breath to the tight pelvic floor area. So that's going to be like right on the inside of the tailbone, inside of the hip. So you're going to think about that area, and as you're in your deep squat, you're going to breathe into that area. So sending that breath down to the tailbone, feeling it open up and relax. You might even think about relaxing the anal sphincter here, because that is the sphincter that's most closely associated to that tight area of the tailbone. So spend a little time there. It's going to take some practice, especially if you have some ankle mobility issues or some upper back mobility issues. It's going to take a little bit of time for you to be comfortable in a deep squat, but it's definitely worth it.